Aging Aitken Robertson to courtroom number 2. The jury is back with a verdict. Members of the jury, how do you find the accused? Guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty on all accounts, Your Honor.
Welcome back to Legally Speaking, your YouTube channel brought to you by Aitken Robertson. I'm Melanie van Orde, your host and paralegal at Aitken Robertson. Today we're delving into a fascinating world of lie detector or polygraph tests, debunking some common myths and misconceptions. And joining us today for this insightful discussion is Counsel Richard Aitken. Hi, Richard.
Morning, Mel.
How are you doing?
I'm doing fine. Yourself?
I'm doing fine, thank you. So, Richard, we've had occasional cases where the police would tell our clients that if the lie detector test shows that they are telling the truth, that the charges will be dropped. What should our clients do in these instances?
Listen to their lawyers, who will surely say never take a lie detector test. I'll explain the reasons. Police only use a lie detector gambit where the case is so weak they need something beyond that. They need a confession to make the charge stick. From an accused standpoint, they never passed. At best, it might be inconclusive. And the police are not always saying as well, not only do you take the lie detector test, but the complainant also has to take it. And if it shows that she's lying or it's inconclusive, your charges will be dropped. They don't say that either. So what basically happens is when a person does take the lie detector test, the police will start putting pressure on them. They'll say, look at this needle here. It shows you're not telling the truth. It shows you're being evasive. This instrument is never wrong. And they berate and pressure the person until eventually they say, yeah, I'm not telling the truth. This is a lie. And often it's a false confession. The person simply wants to get out of there, to get away from the police, get away from the police station. In the meantime, what's happened, they end up confessing to a criminal charge, often leading to a conviction.
And can the Crown introduce the results of a lie detector test as evidence against an accused in court proceeding?
Not as to whether or not to pass or fail, but in the context of the person's reaction to the results of the lie detector test, for instance, where they ultimately admit that they had done it, they're guilty of the crime, the Crown Attorney will try to adduce that evidence, yes.
So, in what instances are lie detectors still being used?
Well, keep in mind that the standard of proof in a criminal case is 99.9%. Lie detectors can be useful. Different government agencies use them. In Canada, CSIS surely does, RCMP, the United States, FBI, CIA, military intelligence, probably MI5, MI6 in the UK, all use this, as well as some employers would, depending on the industry. Some employees have to submit to a yearly lie detector, basically making sure that they're being honest and they're being faithful to their employer. Sometimes you'll see lie detector tests being used not in the criminal context of Canada, but for other reasons, as employment issues relating to working at a super secret government agency, or perhaps you're working at a sensitive IT firm where there's secrets that are very, very valuable.
And we at Aitken Robertson also have a very interesting connection with a manufacturer of lie detector devices. Is that not true?
Irony of ironies, in our Kingston office, our landlord is a manufacturer of lie detector instruments, basically called Limestone Technologies is the name of the company.
So, Richard, are there any countermeasures or people that can fool a polygraph?
Apparently, sociopaths, the results are not valid and they can fool the device. So that's really one group of people.
Thank you so much, Richard, for joining us today. And thank you, everyone else, for joining us today on the Legally Speaking Aitken Robertson YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another video. Until next time, stay informed, stay engaged, take care. Thank you for tuning in to Legally Speaking, proudly brought to you by Aitken Robertson Criminal Defence. We represent clients facing criminal charges all over Ontario, providing you with legal support and dedicated advocacy. If you enjoyed this episode and want to see more content, please like and subscribe to our channel. For more information, visit our website. We also offer free books on various types of criminal charges, which you can request on our website or by using the QR codes on your screen now. For legal assistance, call us today or visit our website to request a meeting with one of our experienced lawyers or licensed paralegals. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Legally Speaking.